Okay, so here I am at the teacher station, and you're going to notice the device I'm using is different than the Microsoft Miracast adapter I sent to you. They just don't make this one anymore. This one served me well. But if I had to buy one today, I'd be buying the Microsoft one. Now, you'll notice mine has a HDMI cord, but my teacher station does not. So if I had HDMI input, I would just literally be plugging this into the teacher station and I'd be good to go. You'll also notice my Miracast adapter has a power plug that's USB based, so you do need to be able to plug this in somewhere. Me, I just always go to the teacher station and use the USBs on the computer because they can be very low powered and it works just fine. So I'm going to go ahead and plug into there. My Miracast is booting up, but I need something to plug it into. I can't get it to the teacher station. So that's why I sent you the other box. This is my little adapter I use that allows me to plug into the teacher station. So I'm going to plug the VGA into the teacher station. I'm going to pause while I do that. Okay, so now we're plugged in, and the other reason I like this box is because it also lets me transmit audio. So I can get audio if I wanted to show a video or show a calculus video or something. I can do that, and that plugs right into here. So I'm going to plug that in. So now I'm plugged in to the teacher station with my converter, and you'll see this has the HDMI in. So that is what I'm going to plug the adapter from the Miracast into here, straight into here. There we go. So now we're plugged in, and we should now see on our screen in the classroom. Let's see. Everything may still be booting. Just a minute. I'm going to pause. And there we go. So everything booted up. I realized I also had to plug in the little power adapter for the box. So that's going into the two USBs on the computer nearby. But you could always bring any kind of USB power, any old USB power strip, or just a USB strip, or you could bring, like old phone chargers, whatever it is. So you can see we're now booted, and the screen says ready for connection. So what I did was I plugged everything in, and then our teacher station, I just pressed the laptop button because this would be the equivalent of a professor walking in and plugging in their laptop. Now I'm going to project into this box. I'm going to project into my Miracast, right? So what I'm going to do is walk over to my computer that I'm going to do my notes on with the class. So you can see we're all ready to go, 3.1 notes. I swipe out from the right-hand side. I'm going to go here to connect. And you'll see, it can see this Miracast. Mine's called Push to TV. If you have the Microsoft one, it'll say something else like Microsoft Miracast. So I tap that, and you can see now it's going to connect. And there we go. I'm projecting to the big screen. And I am now totally wireless because my tablet is talking wirelessly. Oops, there we go. To the adapter. So I can now move across the entire room. So I'm all the way in the back of the classroom. But I'm able to teach. And I'm going to have a really hard time doing this. Let's see if I can do it. You can see sort of. Let's get an angle. Yeah, it's going to be tough to see. You can see there is going to be a smidge of a lag, but it is pretty darn real. So when I'm writing, the students see almost instantly what's going on. All right, I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.